Throughout this WHM and cPanel tutorial, you've seen how to do various things. Most importantly, we started by setting up the server and then installed cPanel, set up security for our WHM server, and then you saw how to add websites, how to work with DNS. I showed you two methods. The first one that we started with was using Cloudflare with WHM cPanel. You saw how to add a website and add it to Cloudflare. You saw how to migrate, or rather how to export and import your DNS records into Cloudflare from cPanel. And I also showed you how you can use your personal name servers so that you don't have to use cPanel. If you want to use your server for DNS management, then you saw how you could set that up. And we also did various overview for Easy Apache and how to configure your CSF firewall on cPanel. So of course, I can't cover everything in this tutorial. There are lots and lots of different features. Some of them you probably will never use. For instance, I didn't cover anything about resellers because when I created the tutorial, I was just creating it for someone that wants to install WHM cPanel and use it to run their websites, or maybe run it for a few other people without involving resellers. This is something that you'll find help and documentation for on the cPanel documentation, cPanel and WHM documentation. Anything that I didn't cover, just be sure that you can find it on the cPanel and WHM documentation and the forum. The forum is also very useful. You can find all this on Google. Just search for the problem you're having. Maybe you don't know how to change the server host name. You can just search for change cPanel host name, and you're going to find that there is either a documentation or there is a forum question, or maybe somebody already has a blog about that. I can't show you everything, but you can learn everything because the resources are already there. All right, that marks the end of this. I will see you next time.